those were few shots from 5th April, Sunday, where we had to light the diyas at 9 p.m. So, okay, done with that, and today I'm gonna make biryani because quarantine time we'll miss biryani a lot. So, I'm gonna make biryani. And note, before doing it, please add extra masala if you want, because I'll be adding a little bit less because at home they prefer less masala. So you add maybe a teaspoon extra masala than what I am adding. So let's get started with our biryani. Take 4 longly sliced carrots. Slice 4 tomatoes into half and cut them into vertical pieces. Fry 2 big onions and keep it aside because we are going to use this in the last. Take a bunch of kishmish and cashews. Add 5 chilies and slice them in this way as shown. Take 150 grams of paneer and cut them into small blocks. Take 2 glasses of basmati rice and soak them in water for 30 minutes. I have fried the onions in the same cooker. You might be wondering why did I fry them and kept it aside. You'll get to know in the end. Now add 4 spoons of oil and 1 spoon of ghee and keep the flame between high and low and let it heat. After the oil heats up a bit, you can add your bay leaves, jeera, cloves, star anise, cardamom. So please follow these ingredients that I have put it on the screen and add them into your cooker and just mix them until they give a little bit popping sound. Now after you get a little bit popping sound, add your dry fruits, your cashews and kishmish and give them a little bit stir. Now add on your cut chilies and mix them well. See that your dry fruits and chilies turn slightly brown. Remember to keep the flame in between high and low. If required, reduce the flame, but be careful that you don't burn your dry fruits. And after that, add on 4 teaspoons. Now add a little bit of water and give it a nice mix. You're adding water because next you're going to add your vegetables. So when you add your vegetables, it cooks well. That is the reason you have to add a little bit of water. Add in your cut carrots. Now add in your cut tomatoes and mix them well for a minute or a half. 2 tablespoons of dhania powder. I am adding just 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder. You can add 2 tablespoons. Add your cut paneer pieces and give them a nice mix so that your masalas get coated well to the paneer. Now strain the water from the rice which you have kept it for soaking. Add the rice in the cooker because your stomach is waiting. Don't forget to mix it well. Now add in 4 glasses of water into the cooker and mix it well. I know I'm telling you to mix it well many times, but you have to mix it well also this time also. Add on 4 glasses or 4.5, but 4 is preferable, and mix it well. Now in the end, for taste you gotta add salt. But how to add salt for biryani? When you add your salt in the end, taste the water. The water should taste a little bit saltish. If it is not little bit saltish, add a little more. But be careful, you don't want it to become too salty. Now after you're done, close the lid and put the weight, and don't forget to put the flame back into high. Remember, the flame should be in high. Now after 5 or 10 minutes, 1 whistle is going to blow, and after that, put the flame to low. Wait for 5 or 6 minutes and turn off the flame. Now wait for the steam to go out, lift the weight sometimes and just check and then lift the weight. Now take your biryani into a plate and let it cool a bit. After that, add your fried onions now in the last. This is going to give you a different taste. Now for the one last time, mix it well and it is ready to serve.